This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Leapmotor B10. It's possibly the best EV in Thailand right now in that 800k baht price range. But we need to find out how much space does it have. We're gonna put banana boxes in there, but I need to know first. There is a frunk here, I believe. How big is it? Well, what do we see here? A small frunk. Oh, it's okay. It doesn't have any struts to hold it up, so I have to use this holder here. Wait, no, there. It's not that big. Plus that it has lots of dust in here. There is no dust protection. Yeah, no rubber seal here. Nothing up there. So just to show you how small the frunk is, here is the banana box for scale. But at least there's a frunk. You can put some cables or whatever smaller items in here. One nice butt, huh? Kind of resembles a Porsche. Or I don't know, maybe just inspired by Porsche. So there's no button to open the trunk here. You need to fumble and find it here. I find it a bit clumsy because in the garage or in the carport at night especially, it's so dark, and I was like, wait, where's the thing? It's here. Oh, okay. So it has motorized liftgate, the top spec here. And then, well, it doesn't seem to be that big, but you can open up more space here. So there we have some lights, fairly big trunk, subwoofers here, and that's pretty much it. This foam thing here, it's kind of mounted with a fastener, so yeah, we just leave it there. Well, one in the trunk. How many can we fit here? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right on par with what it should fit in this price, or well, this class, actually this size class. As usual, we pack to the max, and I need to highlight something here. It cannot open it. Okay. One box there can lay down horizontally. That means that the legroom here is amazing. For a car that is only 4.5 meters long, that is quite good. And then here, we also have the sunroof. So you pack it all the way to the roof. This should be good. Okay, because we're in Thailand, then we need to count in Thai. แล้วก็ ABC always be charging on solar.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 162 163 164 165 166 167
23, 24. This is quite good. It's actually better than the MGS5 and the Atto 3, and right on par with the Jayco 6, but Jayco 5, also Jayco 5, Jayco 6. But those are boxy cars. This actually looks okay. So yeah, there you go. If you want good space, but also good car overall, get the Leapmotor B10. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.